Greetings, everyone. Before diving into the research, let me introduce the authors of this study. The lead author is Dr. Carlos Palomino, a doctor in administration from Federico Villarreal University. He also holds a master's degree in information technology from Polytechnic University of Catalonia. Dr. Palomino has over 10 years of experience in project management with credentials such as PMP and PNI ICP, and currently teach at several universities in Peru, including the Technological University of Peru. The co-author is engineer Patricia Condori, assistant engineer with expertise in project planning and technology management. Her work focuses on improving user experience and managing project development in various industries. Also contributing the engineer Carlos Huallpa, assistant engineer and front-end developer with over 6 years of experience in web and mobile projects, specializing in technologies like React, JS, and React Native. Together, they combine expertise in mobile development, information management, and agile methodologies has enabled them to conduct this research, which is focused on improving educational processes through the use of mobile technology. Introduction to the topic. The main objective of this study is demonstrate how mobile applications can improve processes related to the distribution of information to students and teachers at the Sciences and Humanities University in Peru. The research specifically focused on key processes such as accessing course information, managing academic schedules, and sharing university announcements. Nowadays, mobile applications are an integral part of our lives, and their use is expanded to various sectors, including education. In many countries, mobile applications play a crucial role in enhancing learning processes, streamlining administrative tasks, and improving communication between students and educational institutions. However, in Peru, the adoption of mobile applications in education is still relatively new, driven primarily by recent regulatory requirements that mandate universities to modernize their process to improve the quality education. This research represents the development and implementation of a mobile application that aims to provide students and teachers with essential information such as course details, grades, absences, and important university announcements. The application was developed using the Scrum methodology, which enabled the team to deliver the software incrementally and ensure that the final product met the needs of the users. Methodology. The methodology chosen for this project was Scrum, a popular agile framework used to software development. Scrum emphasizes iterative development, allowing teams to deliver functional software in increments through sprints. Each sprint results in a working version of the application, which can be tested and improved based on user feedback. Several agile tools and techniques were used throughout the development processes, including the following. Agile project charter. This document defines the main objectives, scope, risk, and success metrics for the project. It provided a clear vision for both the development team and stakeholders. Story mapping. This technique was used to visually identify and organize the user requirements into logical groups. User personas. These were developed meant to represent different types of users, such as students, teachers, and administrative staff. By mapping requirements to these personas, the team ensured that the application met the specific needs of each user group. Value stream mapping. This tool was used to ensure the efficiency of the university current process and can calculate how much they could be improved by implementing this mobile application. Additionally, collaborative techniques were used during the implementation process to gather input from stakeholders and ensure that the final product aligned with the university's goals. Techniques such as prune the product tree and the speedboat were particularly useful to gather information related to requirements and risks. Finally, pair programming and continuous integration were used to develop the application, ensuring that the code was reviewed frequently and integrated into the main repository on a regular basis. This helped identify and fix errors early in the development process, improving the quality of the final product. Case study. The case study focused on improving three processes at the university: searching for academic information, such as course schedules, grades, and attendance; reserving areas like classrooms, laboratories, and auditoriums; requesting academic information, such as procedures related to students' registration and course management. To achieve these goals, the development team defined 33 user histories, which were organized into 7 main epics. Each epic represents a high-level process, such as managing course information, reserving classroom, and sending announcements to students. These user stories then were divided into 3 sprints, each lasting 4 weeks, during which specific features of the application were developed and tested. The first sprint. The first sprint focused on developing the core functionality of the application, which include allowing students and teachers to view detailed information about their courses. This sprint addressed 12 user histories focusing on course details, grades, schedules, and attendance records. By the end of this sprint, students were able to access all relevant course information through the app, and teachers could monitor class attendance and schedules. Second sprint. In the second sprint, the team developed tools that allow teachers to reserve classroom and laboratories for makeup classes or additional sessions. This functionality includes the ability to schedule in-person or virtual class sessions, along with providing detailed information on room availability. A total of 11 user stories were addressed in this sprint, further expanding the app's capabilities for both students and teachers. The third sprint. The final sprint was dedicated to developing administrative tools for managing reservation and distributing academic announcements. During this sprint, 10 user histories were complete, allowing administrative staff to efficiently schedule classes and communicate important information to students and teachers through the app. This sprint complete the core features of mobile application, ensuring that all user groups, students, teachers, and administratives had access to the tool they need. Results and discussion. The implementation of the mobile application resulted in significant improvements in all three target processes. Table 1 in the document represents a clear comparison of the time taken for each process before and after the implementation of the app. For example, the time required for students to search for academic information was reduced from 16 minutes to 1 minute, representing a 65% improvement in efficiency. The process of reserving classroom and laboratories saw even more dramatic improvements, with the time reduced from over 600 minutes to just 11.5 minutes, an efficiency increase of 50%. Similarly, the time taken to request academic information was reduced from 15.5 minutes to just 1 minute, with an overall efficiency improvement of 56%. These results demonstrate the significant impact that mobile technology can have on improving administrative processes in educational institutions. By streamlining processes and reducing the time required to complete tasks, the app enhances both students and teacher satisfaction. Students now have faster access to important information, while administrative staff can allocate their time more efficiently, focusing on tasks that directly support the educational mission of the university. In addition to the immediate benefits, the study shows that the use of mobile application education can contribute to overall improvements in educational quality by providing students and teachers with better access to information. The university can support more effective learning and teaching practices, which ultimately leads to better academic outcomes. In conclusion, this research demonstrates the potential of mobile applications to improve the efficiency of key processes in educational institutions. By implementing a mobile app at the Sciences and Humanities University, the development team was able to significantly reduce the time required for students and teachers to access important academic information, make reservations, and receive university announcements. The use of Scrum as the development methodology allowed the team to deliver high-quality product that met the needs of all users, while also ensuring that the application was developed within a reasonable time frame. The results of this study suggest that other universities could benefit from adopting similar mobile applications to improve their own processes. As a future work, it would be beneficial to expand the use of mobile technology to other areas of university operations, including integrating the app into the learning processes itself. By allowing students to use their mobile devices for coursework and collaboration, universities could further enhance the educational experience and support better academic performance. Thank you for your attention. This case study highlights the potential of mobile applications to transform educational processes and improve efficiency in universities. By leveraging modern development technology like Scrum, it's possible to create solutions that benefit both students and teachers, ensuring that educational institutions can meet the demands of today's rapidly changing environment.